Welcome to dNAxt. We are discussing class B subnetting, and in this video we'll be discussing /21. /21 means you have 21 bits that are assigned to the network. Out of these 21 bits, 16 bits are of major network as we are discussing class B. So this is your major network bits that are 16, because for class B, /16 is the default CIDR value. Right? Then after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. These five bits are subnet bits. These are what? Subnet bits. And the third octet, 3 bits and 8 bits of the fourth octet, which are 0, are host bits. So total there are 11 host bits. So host bits are 11. Subnet bits are 5. Okay, and major network bits are 16. So total we have 32 bits. Okay, let's convert this subnet mask into decimal format. That comes out as 255.255 dot. Since there are 5 subnetwork bits, we have to add 128 plus 64. Third bit value is 32, fourth bit value is 16, and fifth bit value is 8, and total comes out as 248. Since 5 bits are on in the third octet, the value in decimal format is 248.0. Okay. Now let's calculate how many sub networks we will get over here. So formula is 2 to the power x, where x is number of network bits. And how many network bits we have? Sub network bits we have 5. So 2 to the power 5, that is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, that is 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Then how many host per subnetwork we will get? The formula is 2 to the power y minus 2, where y is the number of host bits. How many host bits we have? We have 11 host bits in /21. So 2 to the power 11 and minus 2. Why are we subtracting 2? As we have discussed in the previous videos, 2 bits are in each subnetwork. One IP address is for network ID and another is broadcast ID. So we have to always subtract these two IP addresses from the total IP address you will get. Why? Because these two IP addresses you cannot assign to your host. So 2 to the power 11 is 2048 minus 2 is, actually you will get 2046 IP addresses in each subnetwork, and there will be 32 such subnetworks in this network of /21. What are the valid subnets? Matlab, what will be the increment to calculate the valid subnets? The formula is 256 minus subnet bit value. And subnet bit कितने हैं हमारे पास? 5, और उनका वैल्यू क्या आया है? 248. So 256 minus 248. So increment will be of 8 in the third octet, as we have borrowed the bits from the third octet. So if we start writing, let's write, we will start with 172.16.0.0. First IP slash 21. Next will be 172.16.8.0, since the increment is of 8 and in the third octet. Then 172.16.16.0, फिर से 8 का increment in the third octet. When you do increment of 8 again, then it will be 24.0. These are 4 subnetwork. ऐसे how many subnetworks you are going to get? 32. Let's write down few more. 172.16.32.0, 172.16.40.0, then 172.16.48.0, 172.16.56.0. 8 हो गए ऐसे, और 4 टाइम्स, ये 1/4 सबनेट लिख लिया हम लोगों ने. ओके, देन 172.16.64.0, 172.16.72.0, ऐसे आप 8 का इंक्रीमेंट करते जाओगे. द लास्ट सबनेट, दैट इज 32nd subnet that you will get, that will be 172.16.248.0. This will be the last subnetwork in this series. Okay, 172.16.248.0. So हमेशा आपको याद रखना है, जो लास्ट इंक्रीमेंट का वैल्यू होगा, that will match with your subnet beat value always. Okay, this will always be the same. So अगर 1000 भी 1024 भी अगर आपको मिल रहे हैं सब नेटवर्क, तो वो जो लास्ट होगा 1024th वाला जो सब नेटवर्क होगा, उसका जो इंक्रीमेंट वाला ऑक्टेट है, उसमें वैल्यू वही आएगी जो आपके सबनेट बीट की वैल्यू है. I hope this is clear. Let's write down broadcast ID of few of them. So 172.16.0.0 का ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी, ये तो नेटवर्क आईडी हो गया, तो ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी विल बी 172.16. हमको पता है लास्ट ऑक्टेट इज योर प्योर होस्ट ऑक्टेट. ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी में ऑल होस्ट बिट्स आर ऑलवेज 1, सो उसमें वैल्यू आएगी 255. कैसे लिखेंगे हम इसका ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी? 172.16. एक थर्ड ऑक्टेट का गैप छोड़ के लास्ट ऑक्टेट, सिंस इट्स प्योरली होस्ट, इट विल बी 255. एंड थर्ड ऑक्टेट में नेक्स्ट आपका जो सबनेट है, उसमें जो थर्ड ऑक्टेट की वैल्यू है, इसका प्रीवियस, सो 8.0 का प्रीवियस विल बी 7.255. यहाँ पे देखते हैं इसका वाला क्या आएगा, 172.16. नेक्स्ट इज 32, 31.255. अगर इसका लिखना है 172.16.55.255. और अगर लास्ट का लिखना है ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी, तो 172.16.255.255. So that's all about slash 21. In the next video, we will discuss slash 22. Stay connected. Thank you.